Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. It's me again, Sel Jumbo. And ayan, sure ako nakita nyo na ang title ng video ito, kaya andito kayo ngayon. And please continue watching till the end dahil share ko sa inyo kung ano bang nagiging sikreto ko, how I remove my napaka-matagal ko ng problema na dandruff. Oh my god. And I really thank for this this product na hindi mo kailangan mag-spend ng too much kasi makikita mo lang siya talaga sa bahay. At yun ay ang olive oil, vinegar, and shampoo. So, kahit anong shampoo, okay lang. Kahit anong vinegar, okay lang. Basta olive oil. Okay? Any brand of olive oil, basta olive oil. So, ayun guys, by the way, before I have also the tutorial about this, and ginamit ko that time is vinegar, baby oil, and shampoo. And but this time is olive oil, okay? Kasi mas better pala guys yung olive oil. And by the way, after 3 days ko ginawa yun, ito po yung nagiging result niya. Ito po yung talagang shock ako that time guys kasi ganito pala siya after 3 days and ganyan kalala yung dandruff ko before and yan sobrang ko niya siya baba siya ng confidence especially when you were wearing black. Ang pangit talaga, but this time look what I have now, ang linis na niya, ganyan na siya kalinis guys. And by the way, this is my second time na ginawa ko siya from this to this. Ayan, napakalinis na niya guys, di ba? And what's kasi, yung alam mo yung dandruff na napakahirap niyang tanggalin, lalo na yung talagang duminikit na siya sa skull. And kung gamitin niyo ito guys, talagang mapapabalik kayo dito and to say thank you for this vlog, I promise you. Kaya keep on watching dahil i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ko pa siya ginawa. So, ayan guys, see you on my video tutorial. So, hi guys. So, for today, ayan, first natin, meron tayong at least this cup to mix the suka and the oil and the shampoo. By the way, this is our olive oil, okay? So, by the way guys, this is my second time using this since nakita ko yung magandang result nun. And, ayan. So, I'll show you how I did it. First is, okay, let's put the suka first. So, hindi naman bad yung suka sa hair guys. Actually, ang ganda niya after result, parang nagpariban. So, kahit gaano siya karami is okay. But mine is just like this. Then oil, some oil. Actually, before is I used sabi ko kanina, I used the baby oil. But yung, kasi wala akong baby oil that time, tinry ko ito and I love the result. Super napaka-perfect niya guys. Ito, olive oil. So, any brand, siguro basta olive oil. Ayan. Let's put some, yan, ganyan na karami. Ayan guys. And also, let's put the shampoo. Ayan. May shampoo is Palmolive yan. Paubos na siya. So, kahit anong shampoo guys is pwede. Basta make sure you have the suka and the olive oil. Kasi yun nga ang na-discover ko, olive oil is the best than baby oil. So, na-perfect niya guys. Talagang yung, di ba, yung dumidikit talaga ng sobrang na dito sa, natin, sa skull. Talagang natatanggal niya. Which is, I love it the most. So, ayan, imimix nyo lang. Wala tayong kutsara. Kaya, kamay-kamay na lang. Ayan, guys, imimix nyo lang siya. Then, after that, ayan, imix nyo lang siya. Then, ayan, hindi pa basa yung buhok nyo. Ayan, then, i-apply nyo siya. Ang dami nating ayan. So, i-ano nyo siya sa skull, guys. Ganyan. Especially kung saan yung mas maraming balakubak na feeling nyo. Ayan. Napaka-perfect niya guys. Super. Ang ganda. Ang galing na. And then, I also share this to you. It's been a month din naman. Simula nung in-apply ko ito. And wala namang nangyari sa hair ko. Nothing is naman. Like, basta nang nangyari or nagkaka-hair fall ba ako or anything. Wala naman. Kaya sinare ko ito sa inyo. That this one is very effective and safe. Okay? So, ayun lang guys. I-ano lang talaga siya sa skull nyo. I-apply nyo siya sa skull nyo. Ganyan. Yung yung sa akin nakita nyo, di ba kanina, is yung dito na part that last time. Ang ganda, sobrang bilib na bilib ako sa result nun. Actually guys, nagkaroon siya ng ganong result after 3 days ata yun, simula nung nag-apply ako. And this is very perfect. Ganun lang, sa skull. Yung dito ko guys, you know. And what I love about this, parang bad after. Actually, yung hair ko is natural. And natural pa lang hair natin. Hindi pa yan nakapag try ng mga rebond or anything. So, pang virgin pa yan. Mas virgin pa yan sa akin. So, yun lang guys. Then, massage nyo lang siya. Then, at least, babad nyo lang siya 10 to 15 minutes. Okay? 10 to 15 minutes. Ibabad nyo lang siya. Then, maligo na kayo, guys. Then, pag naligo na kayo, you can also, mag-shampoo kayo ulit and conditioner para mawala yung amoy ng suka. Okay? So, ginawa ko siya kulit ngayon kasi ang dry na yung hair ko. Lalo na pag dry yung hair nyo, guys. Napaka-perfect nito. Ang ganda. Perfect yung niya result kasi parang talagang makita mo yung yung pagka-healthy ng hair mo. You use this one pala nun na siya guys. So, may kili-kili is never nagkatubo ng hair also. Hindi pa yan nagkaroon ng hair guys. Ano ba yung arm hair? Arm hair? So, ayan lang siya, guys. Ay, meron pa. Ganun lang, massage, konti. Lalo na yung dito na part guys, kasi last time dito talaga yung masyadong ang kapal, yung yung talagang dumidikit na dandruff. Doon ako na-stress, kahit anong klaseng shampoo ginagamit ko or any hindi talaga siya natatanggal. And I love this one that I discovered, this olive oil, suka, and shampoo. Ganun. So, ayun na guys, then just wait for 10 to 15 minutes, okay? So, ganun lang siya guys. Ganun na yung pag-apply natin. And, ayan, i-rinse ko siya ng 15 minutes. So, syempre, hindi ko pahintayin kung ng 15 minutes bago ko ito. I-fast forward ko na lang. And we will see the result also. Ganun lang talaga siya pagkadaling i-apply guys. So, by the way, this one is safe. Huwag kayong matakot na gamitin siya kasi ginamit ko ito, it's been a month. So, bago ko siya binlog, iniisip ko na dapat malaman ko if safe ba siya, hindi. Kasi ayoko siyang i-share sa inyo, baka maya makasira pa siya sa hair or sa ulo natin, may something bad na mangyari. Kaya, eto, since wala namang nangyari, everything is okay, kaya sinare ko siya sa inyo. So, by the way, this one is safe, so don't be scared to use, okay? So, yun lang guys. And, try nyo na guys. Sa mga dyan, nagsasuffer ng dandruff, try this one. And you will see the result na napaka-effective niya. And please, pag na-try nyo po siya, come back on this video and share your experience using the olive oil and suka. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope it's also maka-help ito sa inyo. Thank you, God bless, ingat, stay hydrated. So that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching and ingat kayo, God bless. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe and click the tiny bell button para ma-notify kayo pag may bagong video naman tayong i-upload. Thank you guys. Ingat.